how to fix Genshin Impact auto close problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just first go to settings and then go to privacy. Now scroll down until you find here background apps. Now you will find it like that. Just turn it off and then go back. And now once you're here, right click on your PC, go to NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait, and here we'll find use my preference. Click on it and move it to performance. Now then click apply, and that's it. Go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.